Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. So basically I'm going to show you how you can play pre-rendered videos or just video files in Unreal Engine 4. So it's actually pretty quite simple. So I've got a trigger here, and when I walk through this trigger, I want the pre-rendered video to play. So here's how we can do that. So first, right click your just base content and create a new folder, and we're going to call that movies. Now, find a video file. Let me find one real quick I want to use. Right, just take. Perfect. So, and this is where importing videos is gonna be a bit of a different process than usual. So find where your video file is. This
No,
is
that's
it.
not how I wanted it.
So go to Unreal Projects and find your project. In my case, it's gonna be called Test. And find your movies folder that I thought I created, but I guess I didn't. Or just create it. It doesn't really matter. And paste your video in there. And then drag your video into your content browser. And there you go. Now we're going to right click, go to media, create media player. Also create a media player texture and audio if you want to. And call this media player test, or whatever you want to call it, jump scare, whatever. Whatever it's for, cutscene. And now we're gonna right click this and we're gonna create a new widget blueprint. We're gonna call this UI video playback. Open that up. And we're gonna create and we're just gonna drag this texture, media player test, into here. Set position to 0, and size to 1280, or actually no, it's 1920 by 1080. There you go. And then you can test to make sure the texture works by just going to your media player and playing the video. And as you can see, it does seem to work just fine. There you go. So we're going to compile this, and we're going to say, we're actually going to create a new video and get media player in here, and we're going to call this a media player reference. Compile. Choose your media player. We're going to go play. Or open media. Or open source, sorry. And we're going to select our video file. And then we're going to do play. And yeah. And that actually needs to be that. And we should be ready to go here. So now on our trigger inner map, just create a new event on actor begin, or not cursor overlap. Fuck. On actor begin overlap, not cursor overlap. We're gonna do create widget, add to viewport. And now, if we spawn ourselves in the map, our video will play. I would also recommend going into your widget and selecting this so that it stretches out across the screen. Where the hell? Hold on. I would also recommend adding a player start to your map, so you're starting consistently. And then, there we go. And also, I can't resize this, but if I could, I would be able to show you that, you know, it works. Also, I think it's missing just a bit at the bottom, so let's just do that. There we go.